I got this story just now. Someone emailed me. Let me just shout him out real quick. Daniel Schwartz.
CNN accidentally sent welcome baskets to employees who had been laid off.
I thought this was pretty funny.
We didn't get one.
After the CNN Plus. Well, that's the thing. After the CNN Plus streaming service flopped, they didn't catch the news. It didn't flop. It's right here.
It's right here. Just
Doing better than ever, actually. CNN Plus is, we're hitting all new records.
Yeah.
All new numbers. We invested $300 million, and we have 10,000 users. We're happy with it. We're fine with it. Shout out Al Dare. Yeah, that's some bad timing. I guess we know where the $300 million went now. It went to the baskets.
Just baskets.
It went to whatever was in it. They put like some Rolex in the baskets for the employees. They're like, you've done such a great job here. The shipping was delayed, and the layoff came before the basket. CNN accidentally sent welcome baskets to employees who were laid off after CNN Plus shut down. CNN Plus, a paid subscription service, launched in late March and shut down weeks later. Imagine that, just weeks. Yeah. The shuttered streaming service left hundreds of employees out of jobs, the Wall Street Journal reported. Looking to stay up to date on the news, get our daily newsletter delivered to your inbox.
Okay.
CNN accidentally sent welcome baskets. I mean, that's what they did. I mean, I don't know if it was accidental or if it was just delayed.
I think it was just delayed.
A week later, hundreds of laid-off staffers welcomed the gifts. I mean, that's a pretty cool post, though. That's kind of a relic. It's almost collectible at that point. I don't even want to touch the basket.
Yeah.
I just want to have the basket and put it in a glass case and like it's a relic of the existence of the project.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There must be like a card saying like the potential of CNN
Yes.
is about to get way better.
It's cool. You know what it kind of reminds me of? It's like, I don't know if you guys have this or not, but do you guys have any kind of attraction towards urban decay? Like, have you ever watched
like
these videos?
Building being taken over by like plants and stuff like that?
Kind of.
Yeah. I
Or
like that stuff.
or like it would be a water park that has been abandoned.
Right. And there's rust on the copper.
50 years ago,
Yeah.
and it's like such an optimistic place.
like a mall.
And it might say at the front, the world's greatest spectacle.
Yeah, yeah.
And yet,
And there's something really sad about it as well.
but sad, but also it's a melancholy thing because you also feel some of the residue of the enjoyment that happened there.
Mm-hmm. But
That-
you can kind of imagine 50
Fun
years
things.
ago, kids running around. being kids.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Fun things.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I don't know. I don't know that we can put CNN Plus on the same the same stature here, but I'm saying it's kind of like that. Like they had these grand plans.
Yeah.
I was playing that game with my youngster, Will,
Okay.
and that's what was going on over there. It was the future, but stuff didn't go according to plan.
Yes.
And you would show up in different environments where there would be residue and relics, and there would be projections of presentations that would have happened originally as they made the pitch for like going to this interplanetary thing. You know what I'm talking about?
Horizon.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Forbidden West.
That's right, you nailed it.
Great game.
That's right, you nailed it.
Yeah.
It's some mixture of nostalgia and optimism, and then defeat and destruction, and it's all in one thing. It's very comprehensive. CNN spent as much as $250 million on the launch and saw meager audience engagement out of the gate, never surpassing 10,000 viewers at any given time. Company insiders blamed former CNN president Jeff Zucker and departed Warner Media CEO Jason Kilar for the failure. This was all ego, all the power play for bigger job or independence, hubris, nothing more, one former Warner Media exec said of Zucker. The only people who ever thought this was a good idea either worked at CNN or were trying to get CNN Plus to hire them. Nobody else. Employees who do not find internal CNN roles will receive 6 months of severance if they don't leave the company within 90 days. Well, good thing we're here to carry on the legacy.
Yeah.
Here at CNN Plus, otherwise known as CNN Ultra. We're the evolution of CNN Plus. It's all the news you need, including updates on the status of Wolverine and his battery.